overused cliches these days like digital life is turning digital world. You are under digital premises. Digital, everywhere. Even the word digital made its impact on everyone digitally. From cash to cars, machines to shopping, everything becoming advanced. Yes, you heard that right. The converging technology is changing the future of shopping too. But how? How the era would look like? A store without a cashier? If so, what is the future of delivery? Are you ready to shop with robots? What if we stop shopping and start printing? Well, digital laid its step and made its footprint in everything. Everywhere, everything is changing. Anyways, let's stay connected and explore the answers for whys and hows.